Welcome to Basic C Programming. Episode 7, Arrays in C Programming. In this episode, we learn how to store and process multiple values using arrays. An array is a collection of similar data items stored together in memory. It lets you store many values under one name and access them by index starting from 0. To declare an array, write the data type, name, and size in square brackets. You can also initialize values at declaration. Missing elements are automatically set to 0. Access array elements using their index numbers like R0 for the first element. Avoid accessing indexes outside the array bounds. Loops are commonly used to process array elements. Common operations on arrays include traversing elements to print or sum them, finding the maximum or minimum, reversing the array, copying it, and searching for a value. Use loops such as for or while to iterate through arrays. The index typically runs from 0 to size -1. Combining loops and indices is powerful for working with arrays. This diagram shows array declaration, indexing, looping through elements, performing operations like sum or maximum, and producing the output. Here is an example that declares an array of 5 integers and prints each element using a for loop. When you run this program, it prints the 5 elements stored in the array. This example declares an integer array with 5 values and uses a for loop to print each element. The output of example 1, declare and print an array is as follows: 1 5 2 5 3 5 4 5 5 5. This program calculates the sum of array elements by looping through each element and adding it to a total. The output of example 2, sum of array elements is as follows: sum equals 15. Here we find the maximum element by initializing max to the first element and updating it whenever a larger value is found. The output of example 3, find maximum in an array is as follows: maximum equals 25. This example prints array elements in reverse order by starting from the last index and moving backward. The output of example 4, reverse an array is as follows: reversed 5 4 3 2 1. Here are 5 exercises for you to practice. Try writing these C programs by yourself to strengthen your understanding. Exercise 1. Write a program to store and print 5 numbers using an array. Use a for loop to input and display the array elements. Exercise 2. Write a program to calculate the sum of 10 elements stored in an array. Use a loop to read all numbers, add them, and print the final sum. Exercise 3. Write a program to find the largest number in an array of 10 integers. Compare each element and store the largest value in a variable. Exercise 4. Write a program to reverse and print the elements of an array. Use a loop to print elements from the last index to the first. Exercise 5. Write a program to copy elements of one array into another and display both. Use 2 arrays of the same size and copy elements one by one inside a loop. Thank you for watching episode 7. Stay tuned for the next episode in this basic C programming series.